Today, I'm going to show you how to remove that small arrow icon from your desktop shortcuts so everything looks much cleaner. This works for both Windows 10 and Windows 11, so let's get started. First, we'll use the Google Chrome icon as an example. Click on your search bar and type regedit. Open the registry editor and click Yes when the pop-up appears. On the left-hand side, click through these folders in order: HKey local machine, then software, then Microsoft, then Windows, then current version,
and then Explorer.
Right-click Explorer, choose New, then Key, and name it Shell Icons. That's capital S, Shell, space, capital I, Icons. Inside Shell Icons, right-click again, choose New, then String Value, and name it 29. Double-click it, and in the value data box, type exactly %windir %system32 /shell32.dll, -50. Then click OK. Now open your search bar again and type Task Manager. If it shows the simple view, click Show More Details, scroll down, find Windows Explorer, right-click it, and choose Restart. And that's it. The shortcut arrows should now be gone. If you ever want to bring them back, go back into the registry editor, delete the 29 value, and restart Windows Explorer or your computer.